In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create automations within Bitrix24. I'm already on the screen to present. And the first step, I come in automation rules. I come here often, and here I have a few options. In a filter that says automation rules, triggers. The triggers are actions that will trigger the automation. I'm going to give you an example. When someone views an email, I can add, I'm going to save it, and now here I'm going to pull the trigger. What is going to happen when I activate this initial message? What is going to happen is the sending of an email. This is an example. You have different automations and triggers that can be set up within Bitrix24. Here I have my execution. When is it going to be executed? Is he going to wait? Is he going to be parallel? When is it going to happen? So the difference between these two is as follows. Here he will wait for one event to happen and then the next one, since here they will happen simultaneously. Here I have the exact moment when it will happen, so after it is executed, there will be a 10-minute delay. I can specify hours or days here, and I can also choose to respect the company's working hours or the employee's working hours. I will save it, and here I have the message. Since I am not connected to the email and no option appears, but I can enter the email title here and provide the description here. And then I click on save, and I already have my first automation. For example, if we remove this trigger, what's going to happen is when the card reaches this stage, the email will be forwarded straight without any kind of rule. This needs to be considered. Here we also have additional triggers. And here we also have additional automation rules. Just click, see which one fits your needs the most so you can apply it. I hope this video helped. If it helped, don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.